Our continuing coverage to all the drama that is being witnessed around Rahul Gandhi's visit to Mandsaur, the area that still remains tense. It is very volatile. In fact, our correspondents have been speaking to the police on ground and the kind of arrangements that have been made to ensure and to prevent the entry of Rahul Gandhi to Mandsaur. And the news that we are just receiving right now is that the Congress Vice President, after that ugly altercation that he got into with a cop, has been detained. He has been detained right now. So all measures being taken to ensure that Rahul Gandhi does not visit Mandsaur anymore. So this news that has just come about a short while back, editor India Today, Padmaja Joshi is with us. Padmaja, give us more details. Rahul Gandhi being detained.
That's right. In fact, Avantika, we'll try and get through to all of our reporters on the ground as well. But the initial information that we have is at the Madhya Pradesh border is where Rahul Gandhi has been taken into preventive custody. He was on his way to Neemuch. We know at Neemuch since morning there were at least 1,000 policemen who were at the ready to prevent Rahul Gandhi from entering into the state. Just minutes before he actually was taken into detention. This is the last two tweets of Rahul Gandhi where he questioned how the police could stop him. He's asked, the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh governments are doing their best to prevent me from entering MP and meeting the families of the farmers killed in Mandsaur. How can they stop me from entering? That's what Rahul Gandhi is saying. He in fact has also said what law of the land says that it is illegal to stand in solidarity with farmers who were killed simply for demanding what is right. So these two tweets from 26 and 18 minutes ago, the two tweets that Rahul Gandhi put out, he's questioned the police action, asking what law of the land says it's illegal to stand in solidarity with farmers who were killed simply for demanding what is their right. Rahul Gandhi basically reasserting that it is not for any political benefit, but only for a show of solidarity that he was trying to enter Madhya Pradesh despite the fact that the permission for the same, Avantika, had been denied to him. I hope we are going to get through to Preeti Chaudhary and Hemendra Sharma sometime soon, but this initial information now coming in.
Yes, and that's a big news. But Padmaja, what or where has the show of solidarity happened? Okay, before I come to you, Supriya Bharadwaj is also joining us. Remember, Supriya has been tracking Rahul Gandhi. Supriya, tell us more. We believe that the Congress leader has been detained at Neemuch border en route to Mandsaur.
Well, absolutely, yes. A huge drama unfold as far as the Nayagaon and Neemuch border is concerned. That is the area from where people enter from Rajasthan towards Madhya Pradesh. There was Madhya Pradesh police present in large number. Once Rahul started walking from Nayagaon all the way towards Neemuch, he entered Neemuch, and then we saw as to how the police, the Madhya Pradesh police, cordoned off the entire area. They tried to reason out with him, but he was also adamant to go further. He spoke to us also and said that this entire thing is being stopped. He's just going there to see people. After that, while talking to the media, he said that the entire blame rests on the shoulders of Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of the state of the plight of the farmers in the state, not only in Madhya Pradesh, but also in other areas. And now we have seen that Rahul Gandhi, along with other Congress leaders, were detained. Now they are being taken by the Madhya Pradesh police, and further movement of other people, that is like media and rest, is completely cordoned off. We are not being allowed to move further. But one thing is for sure, that the
tell me something. What about the other senior leaders from the Congress party who were accompanying Rahul Gandhi? Have they also been detained? What's the situation like?
Well, they all have been detained,
okay.
Not just the senior leaders, but even the block and the district level leaders also have been detained by the Madhya Pradesh police. They were put into the buses. Before that, for half an hour, what we saw on the streets of Madhya Pradesh today was that Rahul Gandhi first from Nimraj.
And did he cooperate with the police while they were being asked to walk? Okay, I'm being told that Devankur, Supriya, just stay on with me. Just kindly stay on with me. Devankur Vadavan is also with us. Dev, we're hearing that the Congress leader and the other senior Congress leaders have been detained. What's the latest news that you have?
Well, what we're getting to understand is that certain senior Congress leaders, including Sachin Pilot, Deputy Singh, Kamal Nath, Rahul Gandhi, have been taken preventive custody by the police. They are trying to prevent them from going any further and using the farmers just to prevent the situation from getting any further more volatile. So that is the scenario which is prevailing on the ground out there. Rahul Gandhi earlier tried to wade his way through the police personnel who was stationed. They were told, the several senior Congress leaders were told that there are prohibitory orders in place. Section 144 has been imposed and they will not be allowed to go any further. But despite that, it seems that Rahul Gandhi was extremely adamant. We saw him shouting at the police personnel. We saw him saying that how dare they stop him, who are they to stop him, how can they stop him. So all of that happened in full public sphere, and it was as if Rahul Gandhi had no, respect for the law, and the fact that he was told categorically that he's not allowed to move any further or any closer to the sensitive location. But despite that, it seems that the Congress worker is extremely adamant and clearly saying that he will go and try to meet with the farmers. So now he is under custody, he is under preventive custody. Along with
Stay with me, Dave.
आपकी विचारधारा आरएसएस से मिलती नहीं है तो आप अंदर जा ही नहीं सकते। आप किसान से बात नहीं कर सकते, आप उनसे गले नहीं लग सकते।
राहुल जी क्या मांगे आप?
मैं सिर्फ किसान से जो हिंदुस्तान के नागरिक हैं उनसे सिर्फ मिलना चाह रहा था, उनकी बात सुनना चाह रहा था। हाँ जी, कोई कारण नहीं दिया है, ये कहा है कि हम आपको अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में भी यही किया, अब मध्य प्रदेश में किया। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों का 1,50,000 करोड़ रुपया माफ किया है। किसानों का माफ नहीं कर सकते हैं, किसानों को सही रेट नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को बोनस नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को मुआवजा नहीं दे सकते, किसान को सिर्फ गोली दे सकते हैं, गोली। नरेंद्र मोदी जी और चीफ मिनिस्टर। वो शरद यादव की शरद यादव सर चले सर दी जाएगी। आपको लग रहा है मुख्यमंत्री राहुल जी आप लीजिए आगे तार हैं। नायक बाहर को छोड़
Well, the Congress leaders have been detained. You can see they have been put into a bus, including Rahul Gandhi has been detained. Sir, आप लोगों को कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं?
राहुल जी संघर्ष करो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
Well, you can see at the moment people are there. Sir, कहाँ जा रहे हैं और आप लोगों को सबको डिटेन कर लिया है?
नीमच लेके जा रहे हैं, गिरफ्तार किया है और राहुल जी के साथ हम गिरफ्तारी दे रहे हैं।
तो सर ये जिस तरह से रोका गया और आप लोग पैदल चलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उसको भी रोक दिया गया, किस तरह देखते पूरे प्रशासन का? ये
प्रशासन पूरा जांच कर रहा है।
ये बीच में दखल अंदाजी है क्या? कोई अगर शहीद हुआ है किसान, उसके यहाँ अगर बैठने जाना कोई गुनाह है क्या? राहुल जी उनके घर सांत्वना देने जा रहे हैं, कोई हम तो न्यूसेंस नहीं कर रहे हैं।
राहुल गांधी जी उनकी लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं जिनकी बोली शिवराज सरकार ने लगाई है 5 लाख 10 लाख और 1 करोड़ करके।
Well, you can see that at the moment Rahul Gandhi along with other leaders of Madhya Pradesh have been detained by the police. This is the entire area where the entire episode took place. There you can see in a car Rahul Gandhi has been detained and taken away. With the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, Rahul Gandhi being taken into preventive detention while he was trying to make his way to Mandsaur. This is what he had to say to the journalists attacking the BJP, especially after the Madhya Pradesh Home Minister backtracked on his earlier claim.
आप मध्य प्रदेश में जा नहीं सकते, आपकी विचारधारा आरएसएस से मिलती नहीं है तो आप अंदर जा ही नहीं सकते। आप किसान से बात नहीं कर सकते, आप उनसे गले नहीं लग सकते।
राहुल जी क्या मांगे आप?
मैं सिर्फ किसान से जो हिंदुस्तान के नागरिक हैं उनसे सिर्फ मिलना चाह रहा था, उनकी बात सुनना चाह रहा था। हाँ जी, कोई कारण नहीं दिया है, ये कहा है कि हम आपको अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में भी यही किया, अब मध्य प्रदेश में किया। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों का 1,50,000 करोड़ रुपया माफ किया है। किसानों का माफ नहीं कर सकते हैं, किसानों को सही रेट नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को बोनस नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को मुआवजा नहीं दे सकते, किसान को सिर्फ गोली दे सकते हैं, गोली। नरेंद्र मोदी जी और चीफ मिनिस्टर। वो शरद यादव सर चले सर
आगे तार है
आप मध्य प्रदेश में जा नहीं सकते हैं, आपकी विचारधारा आरएसएस से मिलती नहीं है तो आप अंदर जा ही नहीं सकते। आप किसान से बात नहीं कर सकते, आप उनसे गले नहीं लग सकते। मैं सिर्फ किसान से, जो हिंदुस्तान के नागरिक हैं, उनसे सिर्फ मिलना चाह रहा था, उनकी बात सुनना चाह रहा था। हाँ जी, कोई कारण नहीं दिया है, ये कहा है कि हम आपको अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में भी यही किया, अब मध्य प्रदेश में किया। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों का 1,50,000 करोड़ रुपया माफ किया है। किसानों का माफ नहीं कर सकते हैं, किसानों को सही रेट नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को बोनस नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को मुआवजा नहीं दे सकते, किसान को सिर्फ गोली दे सकते हैं, गोली। नरेंद्र मोदी जी और चीफ मिनिस्टर। वो शरद यादव शरद यादव
सर चले सर
The chaos that unfolded after the Congress leader was finally detained at the Neemuch border while he was en route to the violence-hit Mandsaur in Madhya Pradesh. The Congress Vice President attacking the BJP and the state government for its inaction against, the kind of violence that was seen in Mandsaur following the death of those 5 farmers. We, in fact, even have an interview done with senior Congress leader Kamal Nath, who accompanied the Congress Vice President as well. Let's just listen in.
You have not been able to reach the family members of the dead?
No, we have been stopped by the police saying that 144. There is no law which says just 3 people can't move around in 144. There are just 3 of us. You have seen this. Your camera is seeing that. 3 people are being stopped. This is absolute misuse of the police in Madhya Pradesh.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi was also accompanying you, but he's not here right now.
He's coming behind.
And what about he did ride a bike and tried to take a detour?
Well, we are trying to find whatever means we can to reach here.
Has Mr. Rahul Gandhi also been detained?
I do not know because he was behind us. So I'm just waiting for him to arrive.
And sir, the Madhya Pradesh government has initially started saying that it was not the police that fired upon the farmers, but some hooligans and anti-social elements.
This is a fraud they were trying to perpetuate on the people of Madhya Pradesh, saying there's not the police. The farmers, is it that the farmers fired on themselves? It is a farmers' movement.
So they are charging you that the Congress is behind this?
Well, this is again their ploy. This is again their way they operate.
The farmers are demonstrating against their injustice and against what they've suffered in the last so many years. The Congress has nothing to do with this agitation. We say we support a peaceful agitation. And that's what we want, a peaceful agitation. If the farmers are agitating, please let them agitate and let them do it peacefully.
Pure politics at play, with regards to the Congress Vice President's visit to Mandsaur, with the BJP accusing the Congress of instigating the violence in Mandsaur, and the Congress accusing the BJP of misusing and abusing its powers, hitting out at the BJP, especially after the Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Bhupendra Singh backtracked on his earlier claim, finally admitting that the farmers had died because of police firing. Okay, we're getting in these visuals of the Congress Vice President, who has now been taken into preventive custody. He has been detained while he was en route to the violence-hit Mandsaur. In fact, this entire drama unfolded at the Neemuch border. That is where the Congress Vice President was detained. Now, there was already a huge presence of security personnel who were deployed at the Mandsaur area. There was a 4-tier security that was put in place. Here is Supriya Bharadwaj, who has been following Rahul Gandhi en route to Mandsaur, and this is the report that she sent when the Congress leaders were put into buses when they were detained.
Well, the Congress leaders have been detained. You can see they have been put into a bus, including Rahul Gandhi has been detained. Sir, आप लोग कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं?
राहुल जी संघर्ष करो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
Well, you can see at the moment people are there. Sir, कहाँ जा रहे हैं और आप लोग सबको डिटेन कर लिया है?
नीमच लेके जा रहे हैं, गिरफ्तार किया है और राहुल जी के साथ हम गिरफ्तारी दे रहे हैं।
सर, ये जिस तरह से रोका गया और आप लोग पैदल चलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उसको भी रोक दिया गया। किस तरह देखते पूरे प्रशासन का?
प्रशासन पूरा जांच भी कर रहा है।
ये बीच में दखल अंदाजी है। क्या कोई अगर शहीद हुआ है किसान, उसके यहाँ अगर बैठने जाना कोई गुनाह है क्या? राहुल जी उनके घर सांत्वना देने जा रहे हैं, कोई हम तो न्यूसेंस नहीं कर रहे हैं।
राहुल गांधी जी उनकी लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं जिनकी बोली शिवराज सरकार ने लगाई है 5 लाख, 10 लाख और 1 करोड़ करके।
Well, you can see that at the moment Rahul Gandhi along with other leaders of Madhya Pradesh have been detained by the police. This is the entire area where the entire episode took place. There you can see in a car, Rahul Gandhi has been detained and taken away. With the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today. Vice President Rahul Gandhi is trying his level best to move from Neemuch border of Madhya Pradesh towards Mandsaur, but you can see as to how the scuffle is breaking here. It's a tough time for both the sides. Police is completely trying to ensure that Rahul Gandhi doesn't move into this area. On the other hand, it is the Congress workers along with Rahul Gandhi who are trying their level best to move towards Mandsaur. Well, interestingly, it was the Neemuch border at Naya Gaon where Rahul Gandhi tried to move, but started walking from there, and now you can see as to how the police is taking him along with other leaders, which include Sachin Pilot and Kamal Nath, as well as Digvijay Singh. All the leaders are moving towards, has entered Madhya Pradesh, but now it's a cat and mouse going on, wherein Rahul Gandhi is trying his level best to move further, but police has somehow cordoned him off in this entire field where people are finding it difficult to cross. They are also trying to move, however they are not being allowed to go. And this is the situation here at Ground Zero. With the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today in Mandsaur.
नहीं दिया है, ये कहा कि हम आपको अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में भी यही किया, अब मध्य प्रदेश में किया।
किसान परेशान है मध्य प्रदेश में, महाराष्ट्र में, गुजरात में, क्या लगता है?
नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों का 1,50,000 करोड़ रुपया माफ किया है। किसानों का माफ नहीं कर सकते, किसानों को सही रेट नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को बोनस नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को मुआवजा नहीं दे सकते, किसान को सिर्फ गोली दे सकते हैं, गोली।
गुनाहगार किसको मानते हैं? राहुल जी गुनाहगार, पहले कहा पुलिस ने गोली
नरेंद्र मोदी जी और चीफ मिनिस्टर।
Gandhi speaking to all of the journalists amid a lot of political drama that unfolded around his visit to violence-hit Mandsaur. In fact, Supriya Bharadwaj, India Today's correspondent, has been tracking all of his movements. She's been following Rahul Gandhi's convoy. Here she is sending us this report after Rahul Gandhi was detained. What happened after that? Let's see.
We are in Nimich, Madhya Pradesh, and behind me you can see the entire drama unfolding where Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi along with senior leaders of Madhya Pradesh Congress, Rajasthan as well as Gujarat Congress are trying their level best to head towards further inside in Madhya Pradesh, that is Mandsaur. However, they were stopped here. You can see that is Sachin Pilot who is coming from that side. Rahul Gandhi has been completely cordoned off. We will try to get a word from him. And at the moment, if you can see that the situation here is really very volatile. Police has in a way now cordoned off and circled the entire thing. This is, you can see the entire area wherein the Madhya Pradesh police has in a way made a circle. We are hearing that Rahul Gandhi might be detained if he continues the way he is doing it. And as far as the situation in this entire area is there, you can see as to how the highway has been blocked, and on the other hand, from both sides, the commuters are not allowed to pass. The entire area is cordoned off. There is Rahul Gandhi. He's been taken from this very area by the police, and it is the Madhya Pradesh police which is ensuring that now neither media nor people can get into there. With the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bharadwaj for India Today.
Okay, so much of the political drama unfolding just before Mandsaur around Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Vice President's visit to the area, despite prohibitory orders, despite him being denied permission, and now Rahul Gandhi finally be detained, but not before there were some very dramatic visuals at the Rajasthan border, where he did get into an unfortunate and an ugly argument with a cop. We have to take a very short break at this point, but stay on. We'll continue with our most comprehensive coverage from Nimach and from Mandsaur as well. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. To the huge political drama that one got to see around Rahul Gandhi's visit to violence-hit Mandsaur. In fact, India Today's correspondents have been getting us up to speed with the very latest information, the visuals. The big news being that Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Vice President, despite being denied permission, being taken into preventive custody. Preeti Chaudhary, in fact, got a chance to speak to Sharad Yadav of the JDU, who was also giving support and was accompanying the Congress Vice President to his visit to Mandsaur. Here she is speaking to Sharad Yadav, and she even got a chance to speak to senior Congress leader Kamal Nath, who has questioned just why is the Congress Vice President being prevented to meet the family members of the 5 farmers who were killed in police firing.
यहाँ पे क्यों है? क्योंकि अभी जो कह रहे हैं माहौल बहुत खराब है।
सवाल है कि माहौल जो है वो शांत हो, ठीक हो। हम आए हैं, ये बर्बर जो गोलीकांड हुआ है, जो मृतक हैं उनके परिवार से मिलने आए हैं, जो घायल हैं उनसे मिलने आए हैं। इनसे हमने कहा कि अपनी गाड़ी में ले चलो हमको, हम यहाँ
टाइम में आ जाते। जैसे राहुल गांधी मोटरसाइकिल पे चले गए, ये कह रहे हैं यहाँ का माहौल पहले ही खराब है, आप पॉलिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, वो किसानों के सवालों पर उन्होंने जो वादे किए थे, वो वादा एक पूरा नहीं किया, वो कर रहे हैं वादा खिलाफी। वो इस हालात के लिए जिम्मेदार है।
सर, थोड़े दिनों के बाद आ जाते, अभी ना आते। ये कहा जा रहा है कि एक पॉलिटिकल अपॉर्चुनिज्म की तरह यूज हुआ जा रहा है।
ऐसा है ना कि आप जो शब्दावली उनकी इस्तेमाल कर रही हैं, ये गलत है। हम राजनीतिक आदमी हैं।
तो आप कह रहे हैं ये एक पॉलिटिकल मूव है?
आप सुनिए ना, सुनते ही नहीं ना, आप तो अपना भाषण कर रहे हैं।
जी बताएं।
हम पार्टी चलाते हैं
जी।
हम इन मुद्दों को लगातार उठाते रहे हैं
जी।
किसानों के सवालों पे हम कई बार जेल गए हैं
जी।
हम सिर्फ यहाँ आए हैं कि जो किसान इस बर्बर गोली कांड के चलते इंतकाल जिनका हो गया है, उनके परिवार से मिलने आए हैं। एक जो घायल हैं उनसे मिलने आए हैं, और यहाँ मीटिंग करने नहीं आए, कुछ नहीं करने आए जी। हम 3 लोग हैं, हमको भी अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं।
राहुल गांधी जी किधर गए?
हम लोग अलग अलग हो गए
जी। ये क्या आप कर्फ्यू को वायलेट करने के उसमें?
ये कर्फ्यू को कहाँ, हम तो 3 लोग हैं ना
जी।
आप मिला करके 5 हो जाते, आप ही गैर कानून खड़ी हैं। हम तो कानूनी में अंतर्गत है।
चलिए शरद यादव जी, बहुत thank you for talking to us. With camera person Amit Kumar, Preeti Chaudhary for India Today. This smacks of political opportunism on your account.
Opportunism, when people have been killed, right. When farmers are agitating, farmers are not aligned to any political party. They are agitating for their rights. We support the agitation, a peaceful agitation.
It's not been peaceful, sir. There's curfew there. You've seen what happened yesterday.
Who started the firing? The farmers are agitated because 6 of the farmers were killed in police firing. That is, if you are inciting, this, it's the government which is inciting them, not us.
But sir, wouldn't it have been prudent that you would have come at a later time and not right now?
Why not? We should come and share the grief of the farmers who have been killed. We should come and support a peaceful demonstration by the farmers.
So you don't think you're making political capital out of this?
What is the political capital? This agitation of farmers is going on in Maharashtra. This was going on in Madhya Pradesh from the first. And if there was no firing, nothing would have happened.
So one final question: do you sense political opportunity here?
Certainly not. We are not looking for political opportunity. We do not see this as politics.
So then why are you here? Why is Mr. Digvijay Singh here? Why is Mr. Sharad Yadav?
The simple reason that when 6 farmers have been shot, we must try and share their grief. We must try and see that the farmers' agitation is peaceful. हम तो आग बुझाने आए हैं. ये जिन्होंने आग लगाई है वे और आग लगाने में उतर रहे हैं.
Appreciate you joining us. Thank you. With camera person Amit, Preeti Chaudhary for India Today.
The BJP and the Congress locked in a political slugfest. Kamal Nath saying that they have been prevented from entering Mandsaur for no reason at all. The Congress Vice President, who has been detained, also claiming that he has been arrested without being given a reason. In fact, asking the question to the state government, under what law is he being prevented from meeting the grieving families, attacking the state government as well. The Congress Vice President, who was en route to violence at Mandsaur in Madhya Pradesh to meet the agitating farmers, was prevented from doing so. He was taken into preventive custody, and that's when he spoke to the reporters. Let's listen in.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी वही कहा जा रहा है, आप मध्य प्रदेश में जा नहीं सकते, आपकी विचारधारा आरएसएस से मिलती नहीं है तो आप अंदर जा ही नहीं सकते, आप किसान से बात नहीं कर सकते, आप उनसे गले नहीं लग सकते.
राहुल जी क्या मांगे
मैं सिर्फ किसान से, जो हिंदुस्तान के नागरिक हैं, उनसे सिर्फ मिलना चाह रहा था, उनकी बात सुनना चाह रहा था. हाँ जी, कोई कारण नहीं दिया है, ये कहा है कि हम आपको अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश में भी यही किया, अब मध्य प्रदेश में किया.
राहुल जी, आपको क्या लग रहा है, पुलिस क्यों रोक रही है आपको?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों का 1,50,000 करोड़ रुपया माफ किया है. किसानों का माफ नहीं कर सकते, किसानों को सही रेट नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को बोनस नहीं दे सकते, किसानों को मुआवजा नहीं दे सकते, किसान को सिर्फ गोली दे सकते हैं, गोली.
आप गुनाहगार किसको मानते हैं? राहुल जी गुनाहगार पहले कहा पुलिस ने गोली नहीं चलाई, आज कहते हैं गोली.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी और चीफ मिनिस्टर.
अब आप क्या करेंगे सर? क्या मुख्यमंत्री का आप इस्तीफा मांगते हैं? राहुल जी, क्या मुख्यमंत्री का आप इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं? यार ये क्या गलत
President, who very dramatically decided to leave his vehicle behind, opting for a bike, defying police barricades, also getting into an ugly argument with a cop, finally setting out on foot before he was, finally stopped and detained by the police personnel. So it's been an action-packed journey for the Congress Vice President. Supriya Bharadwaj, India Today's correspondent, has been following Rahul Gandhi ever since he left the national capital, and these are a few, reports that she has sent for our viewers.
Vice President Rahul Gandhi is trying his level best to move from Nineesh border of Madhya Pradesh towards Mandsaur, but you can see as to how the scuffle is breaking here. It's a tough time for both the sides. Police is completely trying to ensure that Rahul Gandhi doesn't move into this area. On the other hand, it is the Congress workers along with Rahul Gandhi who are trying their level best to move towards Mandsaur. Well, interestingly, it was the Nimish border at Naya Gaon where Rahul Gandhi tried to move, but started walking from there, and now you can see as to how the police is taking him along with other leaders, which include Sachin Pilot and Kamal Nath, as well as Digvijay Singh. All the leaders are moving towards, has entered Madhya Pradesh, but now it's a cat and mouse going on, wherein Rahul Gandhi is trying his level best to move further, but police have somehow cordoned him off in this entire field where people are finding it difficult to cross. They are also trying to move, however they are not being allowed to go. And this is the situation here at Ground Zero with the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bhardwaj for India Today in Mandsaur. Well, the Congress leaders have been detained. You can see they have been put into a bus, including Rahul Gandhi has been detained. Sir, आप लोग कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं?
राहुल जी संघर्ष करो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
Well, you can see at the moment people are there. Sir, कहाँ जा रहे हैं और आप लोग सबको डिटेन कर लिया है?
नीमच लेके जा रहे हैं, गिरफ्तार किया है और राहुल जी के साथ हम गिरफ्तारी दे रहे हैं.
सर, ये जिस तरह से रोका गया और आप लोग पैदल चलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, उसको भी रोक दिया गया. किस तरह देखते पूरे प्रशासन का?
प्रशासन पूरा जांच कर रहा है.
ये बीच में दखल अंदाजी है. क्या कोई अगर शहीद हुआ है किसान, उसके यहाँ अगर बैठने जाना कोई गुनाह है क्या? राहुल जी उनके घर सांत्वना देने जा रहे हैं, कोई हम तो न्यूसेंस तो नहीं कर रहे हैं.
राहुल गांधी जी उनकी लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं जिनकी बोली शिवराज सरकार ने लगाई है 5 लाख 10 लाख और 1 करोड़ करके.
Well, you can see that at the moment Rahul Gandhi along with other leaders of Madhya Pradesh have been detained by the police. This is the entire area where the episode took place. There you can see in a car, Rahul Gandhi has been detained and taken away. With the journalist Anil Jaiswal, Supriya Bhardwaj for India Today.